All week! I do that all week!
14 games today, 14 games yesterday.
Bowling on the long.
We're both like close enough to make the show, so
Within 50. And we didn't bowl that great yesterday, so today's the day. Time to pop off those numbers.
time to make the show.
Let's get it.
I need your help. I need it. Please. I need you to subscribe to the channel, please. And help me get this number right in front of my face, as close to 50-50 as possible. A lot of you guys are watching. I love it. A lot of you guys need to hit that subscribe button. Now let's get to the Players Championship video, and I'll show you guys the crazy that unfolds here. I have to stop leaving flat sevens, or this is going to be a long day. So I'm just going to keep pinching my way left, inching over there until hopefully I go high enough to, you know, trip 6 or get the 7 out at least. So keep inching. Alright, so 2-0, like 3 last game. Ball change on the fill. I'm throwing the black hammer now. I'm going to play way straighter because straighter's greater and I need less bad breaks. So I need my okay shots to still get like 9. I can't have my okay shots get like 8, 6 when they're across the deck from each other. So I'm trying to keep it in play, keep it in front of me, and just keep making good shots here the back 3. I guess the back 4 games. So plenty of time, 4 games to go this block. Hopefully some high scores these 4 games. Let's get to it. I'll bet $1,000 I don't throw a bad shot this game. Threw a bad shot in the 10th, cost me $230, turned it into $190, and we're back here for the back 3 games. Here we go. All right, well, game 5 in the books. I really thought I threw like 11 shots that were almost perfect. The one shot I didn't at big forward, but 225, pretty good. I got to search for better ball reaction because I can't throw it like that and only shoot 220. Just with the pace the way it is, I got to shoot more. So got to start chasing. I'm switching to a purple hammer, hooking the lane a little more, and game 6 coming up. All right, well, we had 240, 260 to end the block, and now we got 7 more games left. We're going on the long pattern. Kevin went 220 over. I went 150 over for the last block, and now we got 7 more games to go.
Gotta get
300
to the
over.
show.
We need 300.
I want 312.
That's fine. I need 300 at least to get into the show. Scores are high, and we gotta be up. Bowling balls. It's the 3rd time they've been stuck. I suffer from a lot. One of them is these ball returns. We've had 3 breakdowns in less than a game, and I'm looking around, guys are starting to finish up their 2nd game, it looks like. So I'm not mad at all. Good start to the block. We'll see how the next 6 games go. All right, so 225 game 2. I'll take it. A lot of good breaks there at the end, as you guys saw. But I'm still think I'm losing ground on the show, so I gotta just find a way to make an extra good shot a game and really capitalize on the breaks. So 5 games to go. I'm gonna need a lot of strikes. 239 that game. Some good moves, some moves that hurt me a little bit, but back out of this game, need another.
All right, everyone, I just want to say thank you. The merch sales have been rolling in. You guys have been buying merch left and right, like this shirt right here, the Hoope Established. Damn, Mitch is young. Anyway, coupon code PBA, save 15% off, thehousebowling.com. Go check it out. Thank you all who have bought merch. Thank you all who are going to buy merch. And we appreciate it. Thanks for the support. We'll see you later.
Big one for sure. I'm chasing a lot right now. I'm back like 120 on the show, so even with that 230, I gotta pop off a couple really big ones here. Well, they've come back to us. I'm like 40 out, Kevin is the number. We got 3 games to go and lots of strikes to throw, so.
We need some big ones.
We need a lot of big ones.
We don't want it to be close. We just want to both be in by a mile.
Yeah, it's funny. It's Kyle's 4th, you're 5th, Brad's 6th, and I'm 7th.
House mates. Stand up!
All right, well, I shot 240 that last game, so I'm about 30 or 40 out of it here, and 2 games to go, so I need some strikes, and I need a lot of strikes. .227 was not enough, so I need a lot here. I need like 250 and a little bit of luck to go my way, so hopefully we can throw some strikes and see what happens. could have gone better, and it definitely could have gone worse, that block for me. I threw about 2 million strikes, and I needed about 2.5 million. Had a chance that last game if I had 250, 260, but I caught a tough pair, made some bad moves, and
Kev needs a double and 4 pins to make the show. So I think Kyle got the 51, Brad got to 58, Frankie got to 79.
so Kev needs a double.
Double,
And 4.
double and 4.
The one is split at 68. The whole team back in like, I was like, you on it. I'm sweating for Kevin right now. I'm fucking sweating for him. He needs this hit and 4.
Hey guys, Player Championship is summed up here. Sometimes it's just not meant to be. But one thing that is meant to be is this honey barbecue chicken soup sandwich from Whataburger.
Sponsor us!
Sponsor us!
Sponsor us!
Whataburger, we bought 30 meals from you in 2 days.
We bought every single meal from Whataburger.
Sponsor us.
We need it.
I really need it.
Because we didn't make the show.